As our chief guest has said, my association with him dates back more than 50 years now. It's nice to be with him today again. So I would like to thank the Research Ethics Board for inviting me to this program of orientation on ethical research. On ethical research, we all know that RIMS has a proud legacy of being one of the premier medical institutions in the Northeast. Our main job is to give healthcare to the people and to teach medical science to our students. But I would say that we should not limit to this. Our job to the society should be to bring out more knowledge, but how knowledge is created, that is by credible research. So that is what I would like to say. The knowledge should be credible, responsible, and it should be socially relevant. Any research which comes out from RIMS should have has the stamp of RIMS, and it's our job of this Research Ethics Board and the members that it should be trustworthy, it should be important, it should be credible. And if our Research Ethics Board is not strong, then researches which are not properly conducted without proper ethical clearance or without going through a rigorous check, then it may erode the public's or people's credibility. So that is which I would like to say. When people talk of submission to Research Ethics Board, most of the students or most of the researchers are afraid of the regulatory problems we face. But that is not what we should feel. We should know that these Research Ethics Board going through the clearance, it is respect to human dignity, a commitment to truth, and we are going to serve the society by the results we bring out from there. I would like to especially thank two of the pioneers in RIMS, Professor Ekejo and Professor Brogan. They too have been really giving their time in all research activities, and from approving the theses, from approving dissertations. I think a lot of credit goes to both of them. I'm really happy that the department the board has again brought out an SOP. This will make things much lighter. If you go through the RIMS website, we have how to there's the REB pages there where you will get a few of these pages. I think it is so when everything comes up there, then the people will have much more idea of what are the standard or operating procedures. I'd like to thank Professor Koizam Joy, Member Secretary, who has brought out these of last year. Professor Lokesor, which has reviewed, and anyway our director, which has been the main patron for the society and has been approved by him. So a big round of applause for producing these SOPs. So I once again congratulate the REB for organizing such an orientation, and this will have a lot of impact in future researches. Thank you once again.
Kindly put your hands together.